Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will talk about a very similar topic that we discussed in the last lecture. It is called orthogonal space-time clock codes. This is lecture number 22, week number 10 of the Advanced Wireless Communication taught at master's level at IST. What are orthogonal space-time clock codes? If we recall our previous lecture, which was on Alamuthi code belongs to a special class of codes called orthogonal space-time block codes. Why they are called orthogonal? Because the columns of the space-time matrix discussed before, they are orthogonal to each other. So that is depicted here. So what we do is transmit two symbols in two time instants. So the rate of the code is basically one symbol in one time instant. We also assumed that when we transmit the signals and when they are received, the channel does not change during that instant. So that is a very important phenomena that has to be assumed in space-time block codes. So in this case, when you're transmitting one symbol or a block of symbol which contains only one symbol, the channel should remain the same. It should not change. Otherwise, the channel estimated at the receiver would be outdated. So let's move forward from the Alamuthi code, which contained basically two transmit antennas and one receive antenna. So the question arises here that is it possible to transmit from three transmit antennas? So yes, that is possible. So here we have an example in which we transmit four symbols x1, x2, x3 and x4 in 8 time instants through three transmit antennas. So there is a very special relationship between blocks of data. So as we have three transmit antennas and one receive antennas, so the channel coefficients have to be 3, or the channel vector h should contain three scalars h1, h2 and h3. If we see this whole block of space-time matrix, we see that this whole matrix is orthogonal to this block or sub-matrix. This matrix is basically the conjugate of the elements of this matrix. So what about the code rate of 1 by 3 MISO or MIMO orthogonal space-time block code? We see that we are transmitting 4 symbols over 8 time instants. So the net rate is basically 4 over 8, which is half, or 8 is half. So Alamuthi is the only space-time block code with a full rate 1. All the other codes above the Alamuthi, which are generically called orthogonal space-time clock codes, cannot achieve rate 1. The whole system can be written as follows. We have these vectors of received symbols because we are receiving at 8 time instants. So we have this vector y, symbol received at 8 time instants, and we have the channel matrix, which is basically 8 cross 4 channel matrix, and then we have a symbol vector x1, x2, x3 and x4, which is combinedly called x vector. So if we see the structure of this system, this submatrix, this whole submatrix is the conjugate of this submatrix. So this 4 by 4 submatrix, we have 4 by 4 submatrix here. This 4 by 4 submatrix is the conjugate of this 4 by 4 submatrix, which is in the upper half of the total space-time code matrix. So why they are called block codes? Because a block of symbols are transmitted across orthogonal channels. The first block is transmitted, or x1 to x4 are transmitted across these channels, and again x1, x2, x3 and x4 are transmitted through these combined channels. All the elements of the channel are orthogonal to each other, and this whole submatrix is orthogonal to this submatrix. So this is the reason these codes are called orthogonal space-time block codes. Example, if we take any two columns, for example column 1 and column 2, and we take the Hermitian of column 1 and multiply it with C2, we get 0. Similarly, if we take C1 Hermitian and multiply it C3, that would also be equal to 0. Hence, columns are orthogonal to each other. Therefore, this system of codes is called orthogonal space-time block codes. Especially a 3 by 1 system in which you are transmitting 4 symbols in 8 symbol times as a rate of 1 by 2. There are other codes which can extend the transmit antennas from 3 to 4 to 5 to 6, but they have different rates. For further research, you can go and find the higher order orthogonal space-time block codes. Thank you. This would be all for this week.